What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy JD coming at you with yet another video, and in today's video we're going to be talking about one of the most hyped up sneakers of the year, and in my opinion one of the best drops of 2019. We are going to be talking about the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Lows. What's up guys? If this is your first time on the channel, my name is Josh. Most people call me JD, and if you enjoy honest sneaker content, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, it helps out the channel. Now let's get into it. So these lows caught a lot of people off guard because they released basically in just one way, and that was a shock drop. It was a surprise raffle, surprise draw on the Nike sneakers app, and that was on July the 20th, and it was a worldwide release. And basically since then, Travis Scott has gone on his Instagram stories and said that this shoe will not be releasing ever again. So unless you guys were able to cop it back on July the 20th, good luck copying it now, because ever since Travis Scott put out that IG story, these prices on StockX on the resale market have just skyrocketed. So this shoe is now definitely very coveted, hard to obtain. But guys, if you really do want to cop these shoes, I suggest copying as soon as possible because the prices are just going up. First off, let's begin with the box. So you get the same box that you do with the Travis Scott Jordan 1's highs, and that's basically in this mocha brown colorway, and on the inside you have this nice pink paper with some Travis Scott logos on it, as well as the Jordan logo. So now let's get into the sneaker. So right away, the first thing I noticed with this shoe when compared to the Travis Scott highs right here, this pair right here, the one thing I noticed immediately is that the materials on this pair are basically completely different than that one. So that one has primarily a nubuck and a leather upper, very good quality materials. But with this pair, it's basically all nubuck. The entire upper is nubuck, including this black portion here. I thought it was leather when I looked at the pictures, but it's actually all nubuck, and it is very, very good quality. This shoe, the quality just feels great. Even on this swoosh here, you have this nice tumble leather, and you cannot make complaints about the quality, neither with this pair nor the Jordan 1 high. The Travis Scott pairs, the quality has just been A1. The colorway on this shoe, and I'm gonna be completely honest guys, this colorway is crazy hard. Like, this is super, super fire. In my opinion, way more fire than the high that dropped, which to me, and I'm sure you guys have heard it in my review, I pretty much said that colorway, it looks like a very basic Jordan 1 colorway, and pretty much the only thing about that shoe was the swoosh. But this one, the colorway is sick. So we got this mocha brown, we got this black, and of course the white. And the swoosh to me just looks so much nicer when it's done in this white, this oversized swoosh. As with the highs, this sneaker comes with a lot of different lace options. So the default laces on here are these black flat style wax laces. The other laces that come with this shoe are kind of different compared to the highs, because you also have another pair of flat laces, which are these red ones, but then you also have like two pairs of thick rope style laces, a pink pair, which I'm probably going to be using the most, and also this black thick rope lace. So that's a little different. So these are typically the type of laces you see on like a Nike SB, these thick laces, and I think that's sick. In the medial side of the sneaker, you have a mocha swoosh, and you can see the Cactus Jack logo stitched in red. I also really like the back of the shoe. You have on the left pair, you got this Travis Scott smiley face done in that red stitching, and on the right pair, you have the Jordan 1 wings logo that you see on pretty much every Jordan 1 low. The insole on the right pair is also pretty dope. You got the Travis Scott written in that thick font. The midsole on this sneaker is done kind of that off-white faded color, which you're seeing on a lot of Jordan 1s now. So what do I like better, the lows or the highs? Actually, before I even tell you guys that, let me know down in the comments, what do you guys like better? Do you prefer the low? Do you prefer the high? Put that down in the comments. I would love to hear your feedback. As far as me, for me, it's clear cut. I definitely prefer these lows compared to the highs for several reasons. So reason number one, the colorway. I think this colorway is just super hard. I already said that in the beginning of this video. The white swoosh, I think, is really what makes it for me. It looks so sick against that black and mocha. Reason number two is I'm just happy to see finally like a hyped up Jordan 1 low, because I mean the Jordan 1 high is just so oversaturated right now by Jordan brand. Like pretty much every month we got like 5 different highs dropping. There's like every other colorway under the sun, and pretty much they keep re-retroing the same colorways every 2 to 3 years. Like later this year we're going to be getting the bread again, and then next year we're going to be getting the Chicago colorway apparently. So it's pretty much the same sneakers coming out over and over. So it's dope to see finally a low drop, a hyped up low nonetheless. Reason number 3, this is a real summertime sneaker because these look dope with shorts. In my opinion, Jordan 1 highs don't really look good with shorts. Well, I can say that pretty much for any high top sneaker, but these look fire with shorts. You will see that later in the on feet. As far as sizing goes, this fits me pretty much just like the Jordan 1 highs, so go true to size. For me, it fit me absolutely perfect. Of course, guys, I was super hyped to pick up this sneaker. I am a huge Travis Scott fan, way before all these new fans started coming out after he, you know, got with Kylie. But I've been a huge Travis Scott fan basically since like 2013, and I've been to like a lot of his shows. In fact, I was at a show just 2 weeks ago. He was right here in Germany. Dropped the footage. Basically, anytime he drops a sneaker, I want to get my hands on it, and this one was no different. I put out a little unboxing video on my IG stories yesterday. Now, by the way, the IG handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. Definitely give your boy a follow. So yeah, I put out that story, and I had people DMing me that aren't even really into sneakers that much, telling me that they thought that just this colorway was sick and just the shoe overall looked super dope to them. So that's how I know a sneaker is dope, when even people who aren't even into sneakers are telling me they like it. So that's pretty much my review. The on feet coming up right now. I made sure I gave you guys a look with shorts on and then with pants. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoy the content, hit that like button and of course subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So on feet coming right now. Until next time, guys, peace.